Dictation of Ajmer, official passage number 30, start. It shall be the duty of the keeper of any premises, whether furnished or unfurnished, where lodging or sleeping accommodation is provided for reward, to submit to such person and in such manner such information in respect of foreigners accommodated in such premises, as may be prescribed, full stop. The information referred to in this subsection may relate to all or any of the foreigners accommodated at such premises and may be required to be submitted periodically or at any specific time or occasion, full stop. Every person accommodated in any such premises shall furnish to the keeper thereof a statement containing such particulars as may be required by the keepers for the purposes of furnishing the information referred to in subsection 1, full stop. The keeper of every such premises shall maintain a record of the information furnished by him under subsection 1 and of the information obtained by him under subsection 2, and such record shall be maintained in such manner and preserved for such period as may be prescribed, and shall at all times be opened to inspection by any police officer or by a person authorized in this behalf by the district coordination officer, district magistrate, full stop. When a foreigner is recognized as a national by the law of more than one foreign country, or where for any reason it is uncertain what nationality, if any, is to be prescribed to a foreigner, that foreigner may be treated as the national of the country with which he appears to the prescribed authority to be most closely connected for the time being in interest or sympathy, or if he of uncertain nationality of the country with which he was last so connected, full stop, new para. Provided that where a foreigner acquired a nationality by birth, he shall accept where the federal government so directs, either generally or in a particular case, be deemed to retain that nationality unless he proves to the satisfaction of the said authority that he has subsequently acquired by naturalization or otherwise some other nationality and still recognized as entitled to protection by the government of the country whose nationality he has so acquired, full stop. A decision as to nationality given under subsection 1 shall be final and shall not be called in question in any court, provided that the federal government, either of its own motion or on an application by the foreigner concerned, may revise any such decision, full stop, if in any case not falling under section 8 any question arises with reference to this act or any order made or direction given there under, whether any person is or is not a foreigner of a particular class or description, the onus of proving that such person is not a foreigner or is not a foreigner of such particular class or description, as the case may be, shall, notwithstanding anything contained in the evidence Act, 1872 lie upon such person, full stop. The federal government may be order declare that any or all of the provisions of this act or the orders made thereunder shall not apply, or shall apply only with such modifications or subject to such conditions as may be specified, in or in relation to any individual foreigner or any class or description of foreigner, full stop and close.